Welcome to the topic series. My name is Roy Paulson. Today I wanted to explain an advance in chemical face shields for chemical hoods. In the past, PVC was used for making the face shields. This did not meet the optical requirements, impact requirements, the dart impact of the ANSI Z87.1 standard. It was a compromise because there was no other material that could be used. Now we're using a new material called Tritan. This model number is the IM22-T6F-V2. This face shield is a double lens. It has a permanent anti-fog coating on the inner lens, an air space or an air gap, and then it has the chemical resistant Tritan material to the exterior. This is the first time that a face shield could be designed that would work in chemical circumstance and yet meet all of the requirements of the ANSI standard without compromise. You have superior vision, optics, clarity. You have anti-fog that you can work in this all day long without the product fogging up. The face shield fits a standard mounting system, and it has a Velcro attachment to the exterior to be Velcroed into the chemical hood. The interior of the window has the anti-fog permanent coating that can be washed and cleaned should it be necessary over a period of time, including washing and cleaning of the face shield. So with this advance, it needs to be paired with a hood design that is to match it. Once in the hood, you have this tremendous amount of peripheral vision, both vertically and horizontally. So you have less of a closed-in feeling. You have the superior optics, the superior impact, the superior heat resistance of the Tritan material. I think that you'll find that these new hoods will change the way that we view chemical hoods.